in this video, I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful gelxnails. You can get all the items you need from Amazon. This takes under 30 minutes to do, especially if your nails are already prepped and ready to go. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, then definitely keep watching. You know, if you want to see more videos about do-it-yourself beauty, natural hair, curly hair, all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get into this tutorial. So the first thing I always do is really clean up my base. So I'm using my electric nail file and I am just buffing off any extra cuticle I have, making those bases nice and smooth. And then for applying the nail, I use the BEETLES nail glue and I cure it underneath an individual light. A good, smart way to apply the nail glue is to apply it to the base of your nail in thin coats, as well as adding a dollop to the center of your nail. The key here though is to always apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, not pressing down too much at the tip, but also making sure the base, closest to your cuticle, is applied first. That'll make sure that the nails don't lift and get water underneath. From there, I'm quickly just filing the tips. I will link the tips in the description. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in this video. I use these nails all the time. They're amazing and you can get them off Amazon. The thing I didn't do last time in my other video that I think is important here and what makes these nails look really beautiful and they last a lot longer is I use the BEETLES Builder Gel on top to create that gelx finish. That was a big hack that definitely makes the airbrushed paint or French white tip last longer and gives you that beautiful apex on your nails. So that's what I'm doing here, applying it. One good way to apply builder gel, which makes it a little different than applying top coat, is that you should put it on in a zigzag pattern. Basically apply a dollop, zigzag it across the nail, and then flip your nail upside down. Builder gel is typically self-leveling, so you want to create that bubble effect like you would if you were going to get your nails done professionally. So doing the zigzag motion and flipping the nail upside down is a great way to do that. And then I'm just curing my nails underneath my large UV light for about 2 minutes each hand. And it's good to do one hand at a time for the builder gel because you don't want it to move at all, and get on the sides of your nail. It just looks a little more professional. Once you do that, I am applying the BEETLES top coat. I will link all the products I use in my description box below. You will see I don't really buy that many new things. Everything I have is stuff I use on a regular basis. So that's why I don't always say it out loud in this video or show the products. I apologize for that. But yeah, if you like this video, if you want to see more nail tutorials, just let me know. Let me know if you would prefer the very zoomed in, if you would prefer me focusing on maybe one nail at a time when I'm making the video. So that way you see a very detailed shot from start to finish versus the combination of all the shorter clips of every step in the process. This is new for me, so always open to feedback on that. But yeah, this is a very easy process. I applied cuticle oil at the end just to make it really beautiful. I hope you like it. Next time, I think I'm going to try these nails that have some designs on it now that I'm getting the hang of it. So let me know if you want to see that video. And yeah.
All right, this is the final look of the nails. Look how cute they are. Excuse my face, I don't have any makeup on. And it is after 7, so it's getting late. I worked from home today, very busy day at screens, but these nails are so cute. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you want to see more nail videos from me. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I've posted a ton of videos about do-it-yourself beauty, natural hair, curly hair, nails, all of those things. I do all of it, so definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!